This one is a real treat. We call this cooking it caveman style. So I've got 2 New York strip steaks here. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the dash cutting rub. Just going to sprinkle it over there. And this is the cool part. We're just going to cook it directly on top of the coals here. This is a neat party trick. So we're just going to let them cook there. Alright, so now you can see there's some blood forming on there. It's time to flip these guys. So we're actually going to take this right here. Flip it. Give it a charcoal off there. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to do a poke test to see how these guys are done. You can always tell how meat's done just by kind of feeling it. So this guy here, that's well done. I can tell if I touch my pinky to my thumb and touch right there, that's considered well done. This guy here, that's rare, perfect. I'm actually cooking these for my neighbors right now. She likes it well done, he likes it rare, so we're perfect. We're just going to pull these guys off here. Tap it to make sure we get all the crap off of it, all the ashes. And as a final step, while we let these steaks rest, I'm just going to brush them off. Make sure I get all of the ashes from being right on there off. And there you go, steaks caveman style.